we're going cross country. It's just come upon me today. I was supposed to be working as usual and check at the sky. So I'm going to try and give you a sight briefing on this little camera, the Go 2, and we can check what the audio is like with the little fluffy cover on the top of the handheld. So I'm going to try and give you a sight briefing on this little camera, the Go 2, and we can check what the audio is like with the little fluffy cover on the top of the handheld. Well, hello there! So this is just trying out the little Go 2 in the air. It's handheld. It's super easy. It doesn't really matter which way I hold it. And yeah, I've got it on my brake handle at the moment, so you can have it hold it up there like that, and you can chat, talk about the day. Ah, it's a super going cross country. I've got a very cloudy day, but thermals are good. From here you can narrate quite well, I should think. You can hold crossways and you can get an idea of my instruments. You can see where we're going, and I'm expecting that if this is sort of like on your chest, then the sound might be quite good. I don't know what it's like just holding it straight forward like that, but I can get and I can sit and narrate while I'm going because it's so light, and then just finish recording, pack it away. Back for the hill. That's what happens when you push out and the whole sky closes over with cloud. Short cross country. When the sun comes out, I'll get up again. Oh, fantastic. Okay, so I think this little handheld camera is actually very, very sweet. You can put it over here if you want to, but then you get a funny view, and it'll be easier if you've got some way of angling it. But there, it's staying in the charging case, and it's very easy to hold and point around and pick up details as you go. Right, that's quite a nice spot. So yeah, this little Insta Go 2 works very well when I'm flying. If you put the hand strap on it, if you get yourself a little hand strap that you can strap on and keep it on your hand like that, So you can drop it, it's not going to get in the way, you can fly, and most of the time you got it in your hand, and then it's very easy to open it up, leave it like that. So I'm leaving it there, and then if I want to film, it's in my hand. I find most of the time I'm just holding it in my hand with my brakes. It's very easy then to just press it to connect. That gets it sort of woken up. And then if it's been on Pro Video mode, you can just press the little red button. It's pretty easy for me to just click there. And we're recording. Super easy. So now you can get a pretty good shot in the air, and it's stabilized, the horizon's level, and you get reasonable voice with the fluff on the top. And a very good picture. And keeping it in the case gives you the most battery life. So this will give you maybe an hour recording. So yeah, overall I'm very impressed. For flying, it just gives you a very simple, very light option, which doesn't get in the way of your flying. It's like that, you can just fly around, grab it, video as you need, and with this little guy, you can transfer the camera over. Still recording at the moment. Now this you can't do in the air. If you're trying to take this camera out, you can't physically grip it. So when you're on the ground, you can then transfer the camera over and have it on your chest, which means that it's pretty good for kind of point of view as you're getting ready and kind of having an adventure on the ground, and stealth shots in the pub, that sort of stuff. But it gives you a very good, easy way to tell a story as you're approaching the flying site without having to hold the GoPro. You can just tap, video bit, tap, carry on with what you're doing, and you build up little segments which are very easy to edit because they're just like chop, 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 you stick them together. So start filming like that, like these little 10-second clips, just progressing the story through the day, like now you're walking out, you're getting the bus, all of that sort of stuff you can clip together. And then when you get to the site and you're going to fly, you take it off, you put it in your charging case, you have that somewhere that you can strap around your hand, and then you can fly, record as you want to, close it away if you need to. And then all you need to do is drop this footage into the Insta program to get that beautiful stabilization, export it, and then you've got your video to put into your video editing program, which you can then build the story. Otherwise, you can use the phone app and you can make it straight off the camera and just chop it together with their pre-provided video transitions and music and whatever have you. So it's a brilliant option for pilots. It'll give you lots of fun for filming little stories, little segments. There's lots of creative things you can do with this magnetic camera. And for flying, I think it's the easiest, simplest solution to get a good story, not have that dangerous helmet mount of the GoPro, and be able to share some fantastic visuals from the sky. So click the link, jump through, go and get yourself one, and let's see what you can make with the Insta Go 2.